Hi guys, I am Mr. Paradox and we will continue Press Security and we will solve how websites work. Okay, start. How websites work. What term best describes the component of web application rendered by your browser? This is frontend. And okay, HTML. Let's play with some HTML. Okay, view site. One of the images on the cat website is broken. Fix it. And the image will reveal the hidden text transfer. Okay, view site. We must find the other image and there is a fault and we must fix it. Okay, we must write GPG render HTML code HTML hero. Okay, view site. Okay, run. Okay, no answer needed. Add a doc image to the page by adding another img tag on line 11. The doc image location is img doc 1 png. What is the text in the doc image? Okay, copy this text and write here img srg equal this address and close the tag. Render HTML code and doc HTML. Our answer is doc HTML. Okay. JavaScript. Click view site on button on this task on the right hand side and JavaScript that changes the demo elements content hack the planet. Okay, view site and we must write here hack the planet. Okay, right here. Document point get element and by ID demo okay point inner HTML equal hack the planet. Okay, render HTML plus JS code. We write something. Okay, we do. Okay, we solved this site and our answer is that. Check. Add the button HTML from this task that changes the element text to the button. Click it on the editor on the right. Update the code by clicking to render HTML JS code button and then click the button. Okay, we must write here button tag and one click and write document point get element by ID demo This is so boring to write here. And what we write? Button click it, yes, button click it. Button click it. Okay, and close the tag, right click me and close the button tag. Okay, render HTML code. We write something wrong, but what we write something wrong. Okay, click me, button click it. Okay, check. Sensitive data exports. View the website on the list on this link. What is the password hidden in the source code? Okay, and open the source code. View the page source code, and we must find username and password, and our username is admin, password is test password. Okay, admin test password. Login. Congratulations. Okay, we solved it. And what is our question? View the website on this link. What is the password hidden in the source code? Test password. Test password. Okay. HTML injection. View the website on this task and inject the HTML so that a malicious link http://hacker.com is shown. Okay, view site. We must use the tag of aref for the malicious link. Okay. Equal this link and right here hacker.com. Okay, yes, we created a malicious link and our answer is that. Okay, thank you for watching. Goodbye. See you later.